Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. We decided to create a simple fish logo with Shape Builder tool, which we were focusing on that during the previous lecture. For creating this shape, we need to know what is the golden ratio. The golden ratio is a mathematical ratio. It is commonly found in nature, and when used in a design, it fosters organic and natural looking composition that are aesthetically pleasing to the eye. With using the golden ratio and gradient, we will create the fish logo. Let's hop into the Illustrator. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel for reaching to the previous lectures and click on the bell button so whenever I publish a new video, you are the first one who can watch it. At the first step, we should create the golden ratio for using it in the fish logo. So select the rectangle tool here and create two small rectangles. Now again select the rectangle tool and from here hold the shift key and create another rectangle. And do it again. Okay, I select all of them and move them to the up of the artboards. Okay. Hold the shift key, select and create the rectangle. Should scale it down for creating the new rectangles. Actually squares, these are squares. Okay. Select, hold the shift. That's it. Now I should create circles into the squares. I select the ellipse tool from here and from here hold the shift key, create, again, okay, now I scale down and move it here and move the circles to other place. For example, I put it here, I select this circle and in the arrange I send it to back. Okay, select this circle and move it to the center of the circles and do the circuit for other circles. Again, change the arrange and send all of them to back. And again this one. Okay, I delete the squares. I don't need it anymore. Now I select the circles, put it here for using it for creating a fish logo. So before that, I should scale it up. Okay. And now I choose the big circle, hold the Alt key, put it here, and again hold the Alt key and move it down to here. I select all the circles and change the fill color to none. Okay. Okay, move the circles to this place. And now I select the second circle, hold the Alt key and put it here. Okay. Hold the Alt key and Shift key and create a duplicate one and hold the Shift key and press the left arrow key. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, select the Alt and Shift. 1. Release the Alt. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again do it for other circles. Okay, that's it. I want to delete this circle. That is enough. Okay, now I zoom in, select all the circles, and use the Shape Builder tool. After selecting the Shape Builder, I can select which areas I want for create my final shape. For example, I use this one, this, and these areas. This is the body of the fish. For creating the fins, I select these areas. Okay. And this place. After you are finished with the Shape Builder tool, you select the Selection tool and select the circles and delete them, because we don't need them anymore. These are useless and I don't want it. Okay, this is my fish. I zoom out and use this circle for creating the eye. But this is huge. I should scale it down. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, now I zoom in and I want to add a gradient to my fish logo. I don't want to make it colorful, so I select a simple gradient for all the body. For example, from here, select this gradient and use it for whole the body. I change the stroke to none. Again, I select all of them and reverse the gradients. Here you are, but that is too dark. I want to select another gradient. For example, I use another color. I change the color of the eye. Okay, that is a simple fish. You created it with the Shape Builder tool and add some gradient to all the layers. That was a very simple project with using the Shape Builder tool.